Should you buy a house in 2025, or is renting actually the smarter move? Everyone has an opinion. Parents say, buy. Friends say, EMI is better than rent. But very few people ask the right question. Buying a house today isn't just a financial decision. It's emotional. It's social. And often, it's driven by fear. Fear of being left behind. Fear of wasting money on rent. Fear of not being settled. But let's slow down and look at reality. In 2025, property prices are high. Interest rates are uncertain. Careers are no longer predictable. When you buy a house, you're not just buying walls. You're signing up for 20 to 30 years of EMIs. Interest that can match the house price. Maintenance, taxes, repairs. And most importantly, long-term mental pressure. A house gives comfort. But it also reduces flexibility. Now let's talk about renting. Renting is often called wasted money, but in reality, renting buys you freedom. Freedom to change jobs. Freedom to move cities. Freedom to take risks. In 2025, liquidity matters more than ownership. If the money you save from rent is invested wisely, stocks, mutual funds, or skills, renting can actually build more wealth. So how do you decide? Ask yourself 3 honest questions. 1. Is my income truly stable for the next 10 years? 2. Do I want freedom right now, or predictability? 3. If I rent, will I invest the savings, or spend it mindlessly? Your answers matter more than market opinions. Buying a house is not a life milestone. Renting is not a failure. A house should be a result of wealth, not the reason you feel stuck chasing it. Some people buy peace by owning. Others buy peace by staying liquid. There is no universal right choice. The smartest decision is the one that lets you sleep peacefully at night. If this helped you think clearly, share it with someone feeling pressured to buy. Because clarity is worth more than concrete.